Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn basics of a multi-view in FreeCAD. What is the benefit of using multi-view and what is the downside if you not use the multi-view in FreeCAD. So here I have made a drawing of a feed rod bearing with the help of a FreeCAD multi-view. So I will delete this page and I will insert a new page here, and if I select my body and if I place the view, insert view, so my view will get inserted here. And now if I wanted to insert a side view, I will select my body and I will insert the view. So here downside is that if I not use the multi-view, then there is a no relation. If I move my front view, then my side view is not moving. So if you place the view with the help of this insert view, then there is a problem. There is a no connection with this view, and this can be resolved with the help of a multi-view. So let's see. Now I will delete this one and I will switch to the front view. Here is the front view. Now I will select the body and here I click on insert projection group, and here I am using the first angle, and now I will select the views which are required. So I select all the 4 major views, front, top, left and right, and I will say apply. Okay, now you can see that all the 4 view has been placed. Now here I will change the scale. I can say it 0.3. Okay, 0.3, not 0.5 I think would be good. I will say refresh. So now in this case there is a relation. If I move my base view, then all the respective views are the moving, means it has the links with all the groups. So that is the main benefit of using projection group. Now you can see that this is the child view. So if I wanted to move it top, then I cannot, but this is my parent view. So while making the drawing in a FreeCAD, it is strongly recommended to use the projection group method because it provides the better linking between the views. Never use this insert view option because this does not provide the linking between the view, as we have saw in the previous example which I have shown you. So this is the basics of a multi-view in FreeCAD and its benefit over the traditional placing of the view. So this is the very small tutorial for the beginner user, the basics of a multi-view in FreeCAD. I will come with more useful tips on a FreeCAD like this. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.